entire machine as of right now. We open the cover so we can see the airlines over here. So with these arms, instead of like struggling, you know that, you have to take this screw right off and then you plop this in. And with this arm, you might need 2 people. You're gonna have to take this bolt off, take it up, and then slide this in and make sure it's fit in correctly. When this machine's on the pallet, you have to take off screws that are all around right there. The manual's a little off because it's showing a singular arm tire machine, but it's fine. I would heavily recommend installing this part first with the 4 screws that they gave you. Boom, boom. Now, we're gonna connect the airlines last. As you can see, these 2 airlines connect right here. You're putting on Teflon tape on the Bead blaster. All right. Bead blaster is gonna go in right here in this hole, right behind the dismounter. You can see right here, with the airlines for these, this small one's gonna connect to the small one. This one's gonna connect to the blue ranger over here. This one over here has an airline right here. It's gonna wrap around all the way over here. And then from this line, goes down, continues, and it goes right there. And here's another airline coming out from the back. It's gonna connect to the Bead blaster. And then he's screwing that on. Oh, I'll show you the one from down here. So this one's strictly connected to the tank. This is gonna go up here, which is gonna allow you to use your main dismounter. They do give you a pressure gauge as well, and you're gonna have to put Teflon tape on it as well. So far it's coming out so good. You got the 3 arms, airlines in. We just gotta connect it. You might want to connect it to 230 voltage power source. It does say that in the manual. That's the only thing I got from the manual. It's a little confusing. So we're just gonna go ahead and use an extension cord to connect that to over here so we can test it out. So we're connecting it as of right now, and we'll see if it gets going. Also connecting the air pressure lines, the air hoses, whatever you call them. If you don't know already, air hose is going to be going in right there. Jam it in, you know. Doesn't fit? Alright, we're going to have to get a fitting for that. Here it goes. Temporary airlines and temporary setup for now. Just to see if we set it up properly, you know. So, it's filling up currently. Our air compressor over there is going off. But as of right now, you can see the motor work. Turns around. Hace que pasa, abre. Oh no. That's pretty cool. That is working beautifully. Okay. There we go. We got that going now. Alright, now let's test the arms. Now we're gonna test the arms. Oh. Wow, it's fancy. Oh. Very nice. Good? Can you try this one?
No.
Cálalo.
Oh, this one is just for...
Oh, it's manual, but still. So it was a little jammed, but if you press this button right here, it releases it. It's a suck-in. It locks in place.
It's a locking.
There you go. That's really cool. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and try the Bead blaster right now. Okay. He's gonna press that right there. He's just connecting, making sure it's connected correctly. Alright. There we go, he's tying it up.
Leaks in here.
A leak? Fixing a little leak. Alright, it's fine. You might have to do this as well. A possibility that might happen when, you know, when they're delivering it. Alright, so as you saw, the Bead blaster works.
It is just a fucking killer machine. Okay.
I want to mention, for the Bead blaster, you want to like let it hang over here. That's the only spot I found where, you know, it stays there correctly. Alright, that's it for the tire machine. The thing I forgot to mention, it does come with this. The tire, you know, luber mount for the dismounters so you don't hurt the rims. These are extra parts. I imagine like backup parts. They also came with soap. I believe this is soap. No. You put this over here. Oh yeah, so for the like little plastic parts, they are like extra. Just in case if you like break something, if it breaks, you have extra parts right there. Same with this one right here. This little black one goes right up here. And then I do heavily recommend getting these if you're gonna be working with aluminum rims. You know, slap these on. These work perfectly. I wasn't sure if they're gonna fit, but they do. So yeah, another neat trick. And then of course you want to put the panel back when you're, you know, you're done assembling it. What the tire machine should look like. No, I did forget to mention this. This is to adjust this specific arm, the dismounter. All right. And that is it, guys. I mean, there's also the air gun that they give you, and that's it. All right, we're gonna move on to the tire balancer. So then show the package opening for the tire machine. Usually you're gonna get packaged like this. Get a flathead, bring these up, and then I would recommend getting a mallet so you can flatten them out, so you can put them up, and so you can take off the, you know, the wood. Balancer's all boxed up, or, you know, lathered up. We have the box right here. We have this box right here. This is the first box we took out. It's gonna have the pincer thingies and the owner's manual, but we know the manual's useless. So as you can see, you have to take out some screws that are mounted onto the wood thingy. You know, yeah. I'm gonna take that off, and then we're gonna take this off, and I'll show you how to set this up. While he's moving that over there, we'll show you in the box of goodies right here. We have all the fits. We have all the little fits right here. You know, to take off the weights, little fits right here. You know, all the adapters. He's taking all that right now, and yeah, we'll get back to it. The problem that we see right here is that this came in like this, which it's not supposed to be. This could be a problem for us later on. Okay. Came straight from the box like this, you know, all wrinkly, and this will be a problem for us in the future. One complaint so far. We're gonna get that long rod that they give you in that box over there. We're gonna tighten it up right here. He's getting a wrench, you know, making sure it's tight, because you're gonna put tires in here and they're gonna be spinning pretty fast, so you don't want one popping out. So this thing goes right here. Usually you want to put this in first, then this little weight, put it in, and you know, grab this, put it in, twist it in. You know, if you already have an automotive shop, you should know how that works already. Machine does turn on. You can try it already. Pincers, weights over here, or adapters, whatever you want to call them. Everybody calls them differently. All right. Here is the tire changer and balancer. That's it. Only complaints I had is from the instructions of the tire changer. They were terrible. The instructions for here were better, way better. And then right here, the plastic protector for the screen. I wasn't a big fan of that. I had to actually get one of my cards and make it straighter. So you don't want to ever stain this. because it can't, like, you know, you won't be able to read the numbers, and you know, that's a big problem, especially in an automotive shop. But overall, the only complaints, and it's pretty good. That works perfectly. This I still have to test out, but I will later in the future.